So buy with the old iPad Pro, and let's welcome the new iPad 11 Pro, and let's do the unboxing of this video. So welcome to my channel, Everyday Essential 101. So let's dive into the video. So let's start the unboxing of this iPad. So now I'm just going to take tear the back of it. So let's start with that. There's a pull tab on it. So let's do that on the side, and now let's open it up and unleash the beast which this iPad has to offer. Let's see, and then we'll do a quick comparison between the old iPad Pro as well. So this is the box. There's nothing inside here, so I'm just gonna put it on the side. So this is the iPad, so I will put that on the side as well first. Let's see what the box has. So this is the disclaimer and all the paperwork which comes with the iPad, how to operate it and stuff like that. But I don't think so there's any Apple stickers, which usually are with an iPad. So, and this is the nylon cable which is with the iPad, because the old cable used to be made with plastic and they used to get tear pretty fast. So that's why they started with Vulcan's nylon cables. And there's an adapter as well, which is good though, because with those iPhones there's nothing, but with an iPad there's at least a power brick to charge it up, and it's a 20-watt power brick. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put these all on the side, and I'm gonna bring the iPad in the front. So let's open it up and let's see how it is. So I'm just gonna open it up slowly. And this is the new iPad 11. So you can see the cameras are a little bumpy, not like the old iPad Pro has on it. It's the same, but it's sleeker and it's thinner than the iPad Pro there used to be, which used to come earlier. But the same speakers on the back, and there's speakers on the top as well, mic on the top, and USB Type-C, and then the lightning connectors on the back to connect with the case you buy or stuff like that. And then there's the two cameras on the top. So let's power it on. The different thing between this iPad and the other one is the cameras. You can see the cameras are on the front, but the older iPad used to have cameras on the side. So I think this is good if you want to do a video camera or a conference or something, then it's good to have that. So now I have turned the iPad Pro on, and says Hola and all that kind of weird stuff which comes up. So now I will just set up this iPad and then I'll show you how it looks from inside. So let's fast forward the video there. So now I have put the Apple ID in and it's on, and you can see the difference. I brought the other iPad with me. So this is the Apple Pencil which is attached with my old iPad, and you can see the Apple Pencil is like the same thickness of the iPad. But if I connect the Apple Pencil with the newer iPad Pro, you can see it connects with it, but see how thinner it is in comparison to the Apple Pencil as it was connected to the other one. But I don't know what's happening, because I tried to connect it and it just disconnects itself, because this is an older Apple Pencil, so probably it needs the newer one in it. And one more thing, this has an M4 chip, so it's a fastest chip available in an iPad, and it's basically a computer because it has the same chip the iPad or the MacBook Pro has in them. So the other differences between these two iPads is you can see the cameras on it. This one has a different setup camera, this has a different set of cameras on it. Otherwise the size difference is there, but you can see the bezels for the Wi-Fi antennas are the same. Just the iPad Pro 12.9 has a there are two on the bottom of the iPad. And other than that, I don't see much differences except for the new chip The camera difference is because you can see the cameras on the older iPad on the side, but if you can see on the newer iPad, it's on the top all the way over here. So if you're looking at the iPad from here, it's easier for the camera to see you, and if you're looking from here, then also you're not blocking the cameras from accessing you, or you're not able to unlock it or anything like that. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoy the video, and I will be posting videos like this in the coming time. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Thank you.